Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Today we will see how to use lemon for weight loss, benefits of drinking lemon water and the ways by which you may lose weight. Let's start. Lemon is an ingredient that has various benefits for your internal as well as external body. It not only boosts digestion, keeps you hydrated, but also increases your energy levels. A low-calorie beverage burns approximately 6 calories per glass. For the best weight loss results, you should consume 2 glasses of warm lemon water daily, once on an empty stomach and once in the evening. However, regular exercise is an essential part of losing weight as it helps you burn calories. All healthy juices have a tinge of lemon in them. Ragi also does wonders for people who want to lose weight. Now let us see how does lemon water benefit you. Your body keeps hydrated, you have increased metabolism, and there is a feeling of fullness. Hence, you do not need to munch on unhealthier products. With just 1 glass of lemon water, you can lose 6 calories, making it an excellent contributory factor in aiding weight loss. A dependency on aerated drinks when switched to lemon water can reduce his calorie consumption by over 200 counts. Any natural juice has fructose in them, hence have a minimum calorie count. Lemon water instead burns calories with every glass. Due to increased metabolism, it helps in reducing weight faster. Consuming lemon water is easy in all seasons as it is readily available all around the year. Thus, I may conclude that lemon water can aid weight loss as it promotes fullness, boosts metabolism, supports hydration, and boosts energy. It may improve your overall health as well. Lemon is also perfect for your skin. However, regular water also does wonders in losing weight. People allergic to lemon water must avoid its consumption as it may lead to more problems than good. Thank you.